everyone, this is Daddy Question here. Today I'm coming in with an OC question. So this question is taken from a sample test and I would like to go through it with you guys today. Gene baked 12 cupcakes. His family ate 8 and Gene ate the remainder. What calculation shows how many cupcakes Gene ate? So what we need to first do here is translate it. This question isn't super hard itself, it's just the translation that it's testing you on. So Gene baked 12 cupcakes. So we know that there can only be 12 cupcakes. His family ate 8. Gene ate the remainder, which is R. R plus 8 must be equal to 12. So therefore, R is equal to 4. Or, because this question asks for the calculation, we don't even need to do this. We can just say that 12 cupcakes in total minus 8, the cupcakes that his family ate, and this is the answer because it asks for the calculation and not the answer here. Thank you everyone for watching. This is Daddy Question. If you enjoy my series, you can consider watching another one of our videos or subscribe, like, and comment down below to encourage me to make further videos and to let you be able to learn more about mathematics.